Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in the Caymanas area. Straight ahead that is Mandela Highway, and to the left that is the entrance to Highway 2000. Just to give you an idea of where we are. Now the government announced, or the Prime Minister announced, that work is to begin on the Caymanas logistics hub early next year. They slated that it will begin before March next year. Ground to be broken for Caymanas logistics project before March next year. Now, this is where they're going to do the project. This is the land we're looking at. Now, the entire Caymanas project is 600 acres, but the logistics hub is going to be 60 acres. And that is what they're going to start working on next year, the logistics hub. Now, the government wants Caymanas, or they say Caymanas is going to be the new center of logistics in Jamaica. So this location is ideal. It's right by Mandela Highway, which gives you access to Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. And it's also next to the entrance to both major highways in Jamaica. So you can get on a highway from Mandela and head to Negril, or you can get on the other highway from Mandela and get to Montego Bay. Also, they're going to be building a Caymanas interchange somewhere out here for Mandela Highway to connect both highways. So that's going to make access even easier to the rest of the island. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Ground will be broken for the Caymanas logistics project before March next year, says Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. Dr. Holness provided an update on the initiative during the Urban Development Corporation breakfast session with stakeholders from various sectors at the AC Kingston Hotel. Caymanas is going to become the new center of logistics in Jamaica. The truth is we have been talking about the Caymanas logistics project for more than 10 years, but I'm pleased to report that the Port Authority will be breaking ground on it, the Prime Minister said. The Port Authority will be developing the entire acreage reserved for the Caymanas development project, but will be specifically constructing 60 acres, and I'm told that they are scheduled to break ground in February next year before March, he said. He noted that the project will be complemented by the UDC's Raintree Commercial Complex project. So you will now begin to see the materialization of our logistics hub coming into being. Again, the work of the UDC and the Port Authority is spurring growth in Jamaica, Dr. Holness said. The Raintree Commercial Complex project is being spearheaded by the UDC and will provide lots for commercial and light industrial purposes with all essential amenities in place. Okay, you see straight ahead where you see those trees, that's where they're going to build the Raintree Commercial Complex. It's probably right next to this development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.